Hi, I'm Dhayalan, your trusted mutual fund distributor. Welcome to WikiViews. Education costs are rising every year, and securing your child's future requires smart financial planning. Today, I'll show you how to use mutual funds to build an education fund that grows with your child. The rising cost of education. Did you know the cost of a college degree today could be 10 times higher in 15 to 20 years? For example, if education costs 10 lakhs rupees today, it could easily go up to 50 lakhs rupees by the time your child grows up. That's why starting early is key. Why mutual funds are the best option? Mutual funds are one of the best tools to save for education because they offer inflation-beating returns and flexibility. Unlike traditional savings methods like fixed deposits, mutual funds can grow your money faster, helping you reach your goal sooner. Choosing the right mutual funds. Here's how to choose the right funds based on your timeline. If your child is young and you have 10 to 15 years, choose equity mutual funds for higher growth. For medium-term goals, 5 to 10 years, opt for hybrid funds that balance risk and return. For short-term goals, 1 to 5 years, stick to debt mutual funds to preserve capital. The power of SIPs. Starting a systematic investment plan, SIP, is the easiest way to build your education fund. For example, if you invest 10,000 rupee per month in an equity fund for 15 years, you could accumulate over 50 lakhs rupees with an average return of 12%. Small, consistent investments lead to big results. Goal-based planning. It's important to plan your investments around your child's age and education milestones. Whether it's school, college, or higher education abroad, set clear goals and adjust your investments as needed. Tax benefits of mutual funds. Mutual funds also offer tax benefits. For example, investing in equity-linked savings scheme funds not only grows your education fund but also saves taxes under Section 80C. Plus, long-term capital gains on equity funds are taxed at just 12.5% after a 1,25,000 exemption. Avoid common mistakes. Avoid these common mistakes first. Starting late, time is your best friend when saving for education. Second, skipping SIPs, consistency is the key to reaching your goal. Third, premature withdrawals, keep your investments intact until you need them. Call to action. Every parent dreams of giving their child the best education. With mutual funds, you can make that dream a reality. Need help planning for your child's education? Contact me, Dhayalan, and let's build a personalized plan together. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to WikiViews for more financial tips. Remember, the best gift you can give your child is a secure future.